Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 19th episode, we're going to dive into a topic that is crucial for every trainer's growth and success, reflecting on growth and learning. Get ready to explore the importance of continuous improvement in your journey as a trainer. Reflecting on your growth and learning is an essential part of becoming a successful trainer. Here are some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you on this journey. 1. Self-reflection. Take the time to reflect on your training sessions and workshops. Consider what went well, what could be improved, and what lessons you've learned. Self-reflection allows you to identify areas for growth and make adjustments for future sessions. 2. Seek feedback. Actively seek feedback from participants, co-facilitators, or supervisors. Feedback provides valuable insights into your strengths and areas that may need improvement. Embrace constructive criticism and use it as an opportunity to refine your training skills. 3. Set goals. Set specific and measurable goals for your professional development as a trainer. These goals can be related to improving specific skills, expanding your knowledge in a particular area, or achieving certain certifications. Setting goals keeps you motivated and focused on your growth. 4. Continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends, research, and best practices in the training field. Attend workshops, conferences, or webinars, read books, and engage in online communities to expand your knowledge and stay relevant. 5. Collaborate with peers. Engage in collaboration and networking with fellow trainers. Share experiences, exchange ideas, and learn from each other's successes and challenges. Collaborating with peers provides valuable insights and fosters professional growth. 6. Experiment and innovate. Don't be afraid to experiment with new training techniques, activities, or technologies. Innovation keeps your training sessions fresh and engaging. Be open to trying new approaches and adapting your methods based on the feedback and outcomes. 7. Reflect on personal growth. Reflect not only on your growth as a trainer but also on your personal growth. Consider how your experiences as a trainer have impacted you personally. Recognize your strengths, celebrate achievements, and acknowledge areas where you've overcome challenges and grown. Remember, reflecting on your growth and learning is an ongoing process. By engaging in self-reflection, seeking feedback, setting goals, continuous learning, collaborating with peers, experimenting, and reflecting on personal growth, you can continuously improve as a trainer and provide valuable experiences for your participants. Thank you for joining me as we explored the importance of reflecting on growth and learning. Stay tuned for the next episode.